This is our question for today. If you like, you can pause the video and try to solve it yourself first. In this question, the coefficient of x power 4 in the expansion of 3 plus x to power 5 is equal to the coefficient of x squared in the expansion of 2x plus a on x to power 6. Find the value of the positive constant a. What we need is the general term of a binomial expansion a plus b to power n. That is, t to subscript r plus 1 is ncr, a times power n minus r times b power r. Let's look at our first binomial. We have 3 plus x to power 5, and we want the coefficient of x power 4. Let's use our general term. T to subscript r plus 1 equals 5cr, 3 times 5 minus r to x power r. So in this case, a is the 3 and b is x. For the term in x power 4, r must be equal to 4. That then will give us the term t to subscript 4 plus 1, which is the fifth term, equals 5c4 times 3 to power 5 minus 4 times x power 4. So this is our x power 4 here. So our fifth term then is 5 times 3 times x power 4, which is 15 times x power 4. That's the fifth term. And in the second part of the question, it states that the coefficient of x squared in 2x plus a on x to power 6 is this term here, is equal to 15. Let's use our general term again. So we have t subscript r plus 1. Now n is 6, so 6cr, 2x to the power 6 minus r, times a x power negative 1. So the x in the denominator is brought up and the power is changed to negative 1. So x power negative 1 times r. And when we expand out, we'll have 2 power 6 minus r times x power 6 minus r times ar times x power negative r. And for the term in x squared, we are interested in the x parts only. So we have x power 6 minus r times x power negative r. Now that power must equal 2. So we have 6 minus r, so 6 minus 2r equals 2. So we have 2r equals 4, so r equals 2. So for r equals 2, the general formula gives us the third term now. So we have 6c2 times 2x times 6 minus 2 times ax power negative 1 times 2. And we simplify a little for the power, so 6 minus 2 is 4. So 6c2 is 15, 2 power 4 is 16. We have x power 4 here, a squared, and we have x power negative 2 here. That tells us that the third term is 240 a squared x squared. And from the first part of the question, this coefficient must equal 15. So now we can calculate the value of a. So we divide both sides by 240 and simplify. So a squared will be equal to 1 on 16. Take the square root of both sides. We'll get a equals 1/4. We use the positive value because that's what's required in the question. So the value for a is 1/4. Thanks for watching.